Hello, I'm Cico and I'm presenting the Ph.D. project titled Towards Transferring Lean Startup Practices to Software Engineering Education for the ESEC FSE 2020. Everything turns around to be a research project starting from motivation, aim, objectives, research context, scope, background, and expected contributions. And if I will go all through this points in my research, I would have presented, like, for instance, the three important research questions that I am trying to address, and namely, to what extent are software engineering trends present in software engineering education research? What do we know about startup practices, especially when they are in growth phase? And what is the impact of lean startup practices on software engineering students and curricula? And my findings are around several methodology steps, like estimating, evidentiating that lean startup is part of software engineering practices throughout a systematic mapping study. And then I've made iteration about growth phase startups. And finally, I've used design-based research iterations in order to achieve and observe the model evolution for transferring lean startup practices to software engineering education. And namely, my model looks like in the following, where from initial iteration, after gathering several results and obtaining all the key takeaways, we have defined a more detailed model. My plans are very ambitious, and I hope you'll find my presentation interesting. You can find more information here. Thank you very much. Please feel free to ask questions.